Hello everyone. So today we are going to make the dead body reaction of AI characters a little bit complicated. So what I'm going to do is, if I kill this character, as you can see there are multiple NPC characters here, and so what I want to do is only one of the characters will directly come to the dead body and search it, and other characters only another two of them will run, not exactly towards the dead body, but they will just run to this area and start searching around, and the fourth guy will not do anything. They will just look at the dead body from the distance for a while, and they won't come to search, and other guys will just ignore it because already 3 of the NPCs are already inspecting the incident. So yeah, that's the basic idea plan that I have for dead body inspection. And if there are not multiple enemies there, if there is just one NPC character other than the dead body, then he will definitely come towards the dead body and inspect. And if there is only two NPC characters, first one will directly come to the dead body and the other one will search around. So that's how it's going to work. So let me do a demonstration. Oh, someone is seeing me. Oh, he started to see me. Let me just put that guy is to over there so I can easily kill this guy without getting detected. Let me move it a bit closer. Right. See, 3 of them are coming, and one stayed on the body and then started searching around, and other 2 are already searching around. So yeah, and others are not really doing anything specifically regarding the dead body, and then return to normal duties after a while. Okay, so let's see how to do these improvements today. So in the dead body detection system at the moment, if I just show this guy, only one of them comes there and they just search around. So that's pretty much all that happens. So what I want to do is others also do some sort of a reaction rather than just ignoring it. But how can we do that? So yeah, let's go to the place where we implemented reacting to dead bodies. So that's happening in a controller. And on C here, so here we get the perceivable type, and if it is a dead body, we consider it as a dead body detected event and report threat as threat level 1 threat. So level 1 threat, so that's causes in the AI behavior tree to take this action on as search major threat subtree, which makes character go to this location and do some searching around that. So but here only one character is responding, because in this because I call this destroy perceivable once a single character has responded. to this. So but what I want is a bit advanced behavior, like when this character is dead, when there is a dead body here, one guy will directly come to the dead body and search, and maybe other two will, instead of just ignoring it, will come closer to the dead body, not inspecting that, and search around this area a bit and return. So if we have more than 3 enemies here, maybe for them we won't need them to react. Maybe just some looking at, just only look at that location would be enough. So how to implement that? So I'm not gonna make this behavior tree complex than a city, so let's try to do that without changing the behavior tree. So how to do that? Maybe let's modify this get perceivable type. This is implemented in this BPI perceivable. Here let's add another function, get reaction. So here I'll add two outputs. One is an integer, let's call it threat level, and other is location, threat location. Okay, right, now let's go to this BPI perceivable, sorry, BP perceivable. Where is it? Okay, here let's implement. Did I compile this? Yeah. Get reaction. Okay, here. So how should we implement this? So let's keep count of the enemies who have reacted to this perceivable type. So reacted count. Let's make it an integer. Initially it would be 2. So here let's get switch. Right. So if only one of them reacts to this, let's return this as category 1 threat, and as the location I'll give the exact location of the threat. So get actual location, right? So if it is 1, let's do something else. Return. So here also I'll return as 1 the threat level, and instead of giving the exact location, let's give a random location. So get random reachable point in radius, in radius of, let's say, 3000 as the origin. I'll use vector location. So this will make whatever the character who is reacting instead of directly reaching the body, they will try to reach some other area, but still they will be in full alert. And I'll connect the same to the second output also. So they will also, the second guy also who sees the body will search some other area around the body, right? But this will not happen, only this will happen. Wait, we need to increment this too. So let's increment it. But once I increment this, because initial value would be 0, we will never have 0 as the option. So this is not required. 1 would go here, and 2, 3, 2, 3 would go here. Okay, but 1, 2 or 3 options will not happen because here I am destroying the perceivable. So one thing we can do is, instead of just instantly destroying, maybe, yeah, let's not worry about the destroying part here. Let's just do this report threat level. Wait, now here we need to use that event, which is get reaction, and we can get the threat level and the threat location like this. Okay, so we can delete this part, and let's change this function destroy perceivable to include an input. Let's add a float, lifespan. So this will basically say how long it should wait before destroying it. So here we can set the lifespan. And one more thing, so this should now always return this as a dead body, and we don't need this one anymore. We don't need this one anymore, right? So one thing we can do is, when we call get reaction, we could call destroy perceivable with, let's say, 5 seconds. But if we get more than 4 characters or 3 characters to respond to this event, we can let's get some more event, more space, destroy perceivable with here, let's set only to 2 seconds, so it will be destroyed faster. And if there are more than 3 characters, let's say there is an option 4 also, let's just destroy this immediately, because we no longer need anyone to respond or react to this event. And let's return this as a minor threat, and as the threat location, let's give that location or the perceivable location. So they will just, the 4th character will just look at the dead body, but he won't move. That's the idea. Oh, maybe 0 will not work. Let's have some small time span. Okay, now shall we check? Enable silencer. Okay, one guy came. Wait, why did he ran somewhere like that? That's odd, because he's supposed to directly come to the location. Here. Let's add a print just to see what's going on. Let's only show the threat level for 20 seconds. Okay, 1. Okay, 1 is displayed 3 times. Oh, that went wrong because the other guy saw me. Let me make some area to cover. Okay, that guy is running. Okay, hopefully this guy will stay. Yeah, it is working correctly. Okay, this yeah, so what happened is it's not the closest guy who chose to search the dead body, the next guy, but the logic is correct. Let's check again. Why? None of them did check their location. Maybe they are just alerting others to search elsewhere. Let's see. Okay, toggle alert mode. No, nothing like that is happening. So let's add another print here to see the reacted count. I'll make this red or some other color so that we can distinguish it from the reacted count from this threat report threat level. So right, let's kill this guy. Did I have a slide answer? Yes. Okay, one of them came here and others don't. Alright, maybe this range is too much. 3000. Let's make it 1000. Yeah, that seems more believable. And they are returning. Let's try again. But one of them should definitely come right to the dead body, otherwise it doesn't look good. Okay, one thing we can test is maybe the same guy perceive the perceivable object multiple times. Yeah, that could be possible. So let me disable AIs for these two characters temporarily to test that. Here, auto process AI, let me disable that. Okay. Yeah, see, there is only one character, but he has already seen multiple times. See, that's why we have this multiple response types. So okay, so we need to prevent that, but how? If this perceivable actor can store the reference to other AI characters who have already reacted to this and don't return a reaction if they have already reacted to that, then that could work. But how? Right here to this get reaction, let's add another input. Reacting actor. Oh, let me just AI. Oh no, perceived by. Yeah, that sounds good. So this should be this is AI controller. So this could be the type of AI controller. Right. Now when we get this get reaction, let's create an array reacted AIs AI controller. So I'm going to hold references to all the AI controllers who has already reacted to this. So get reacted AI set. Right now, before this part, we can do a contains item. We can check if this AI controller already contains in this reacted AI's array. That if that is the case, we should not react. We should not give any other reaction to that actor. So that means here let's add another return node. Not here. Let's just do this here. We need get perceivable type. Here also we need this parameter perceived by. Okay, now here let's give a reference to self, that means this player AI controller, and here also self, and then here get we can check if this contains this AI controller who request the perceivable type. If this does not contains, that means this particular AI character has not reacted to this dead body before, so we can return it as a dead body. Otherwise we can just return it as none, so it doesn't have to do any further reactions. That's the meaning of that. Alright, now let's see. Now if I kill this character, I should only see one number in blue and one number in red. That means the character is reacting only once. Whoever the AI character is reacting only once. See? Right, so he should be directly coming to the body. Yeah. Great. And searching around. Okay. Now let me enable AI controllers of these two characters, so they should be searching around the area without, and one character should definitely come to check the body. Great. See? Alright. And they are returning. This timing, if it would be much better if they stay a bit longer here, but we can adjust those parameters later on. So now let's test with multiple enemies. So only maximum, what's the maximum number? Maximum 4 of them should react. No, actually 3 of them can move, 4th one will just look at it, and others should not do anything. Let's try that now. Did anyone see me? No. Right. See, 3 of them are coming. The The other one is looking at from the distance. And yeah, that's it. Others are just resuming their duty. But yeah, that's it. Let's try again. I was detected. They saw me. Yeah, actually I got detected by the NPC, by the character who died. So because I couldn't kill him in the first shot. Okay, this is my chance. Right. Great. So yeah, now they are like working as a team. So not all of them coming, some of them are coming, but they are doing a believable reaction to the dead body. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this episode right here.